Welcome back to my channel. I believe you enjoyed the teachings. For today, we're going to solve quadratic equation. Remember to like, remember to comment, remember to share, and also to click on the subscribe button. Now let's go into this. This is a question that always come out in WAEC, GCSE exam, and other exams. So I'm going to simplify it. In this topic, this is the example given to us, x squared minus 8x minus 20. To solve this, all you need to do, look for two numbers that when you multiply, it gives you minus 20, and when you add, it's going to give you minus 8. What do I mean? I'm going to look for two numbers. Once I multiply it, I'll be getting minus 20. And once I add it, I'm going to be getting minus 8. So let's look for a number. Let's start. 4 times 5 is 20. So we have plus 4 plus 5. Plus times plus is plus. 4 times 5 is 20. And plus 4 plus 5 is plus 9. So it's wrong. This is not it. Let me try the minus. Minus 4 minus 5. Minus times minus is going to give me my plus 20, and minus 4 minus 5 is going to give me minus 9. Also wrong. Now let's see 10 and 2. Minus 10 plus 2. Let's try this. Minus times plus is minus. 10 times 2 is 20. Minus 10 plus 2 is going to give me minus 8. Oh, I've gotten it. That means I'm going to be using minus 10 plus 2. So that is what I'm going to be using when I'm solving. All it means is x squared minus 10x plus 2x minus 20. Remember, this is replacing this. This is replacing this. So when I'm done, I'm going to pick 2 by 2. This and this. This and this. So x squared minus 10x. What is common? X is common. I'm going to factorize thereby bringing out x. X go into x squared. I'm going to have my x go into minus 10x. I'm going to have my minus 10. Now plus and minus, I'm going to start by using my minus. I normally like using my minus because it's easier to change minus sign to plus sign than changing plus sign to minus sign. So I'm going to start with my minus. What can go? 2x and 20. We have 2. 2 going to x. But if I look at this, minus times plus is not plus, it is minus. So I'm going to change this to plus. So that plus times plus is plus, 2 times x is 2x. Plus times minus is minus, 2 times 20, 2 going to 20 is 10. Now if you are saying this, x minus 10, x minus 10. Once you are factorizing and you notice that these two are not the same, it means you are having a challenge somewhere. So that means you need to go back to check your work. Now let's continue. I'm going to bring it out. This x plus this 2. Why? I'm going to pick one of this. And that is it. So what it means is x squared multiply x minus 10 is going to give you this. A recap. The first thing you're going to do is to look for two numbers that when you multiply is minus 20 and when you add is going to be minus 8. So after that, I was able to get minus 10 plus 2, and that is minus 10 plus 2. Minus 10 plus 2 is replacing my minus 8, because if I decide to do minus 10 plus 2 is going to give you minus 8. So the next thing I'm going to factorize x squared minus 10x. What is common? X is common. X going to x squared is x. X going to minus 10, x is minus 10. Plus, what is common is 2. 2 going to 2x is x, and 2 going to 20 is 10. The minus, plus times minus, give me minus. So I'm going to pick out x plus 2 is x plus 2, and x minus 10, I'm going to bring one of it. So I believe you have enjoyed this video. Take your time to understand this. We have other videos to do. We have other examples. All you need to do is to subscribe to my channel. Let me give you something to do. You can actually try to do x squared plus 15x minus 16. X squared plus 15x minus 16. Do it and give me the answer. Remember to subscribe. Thank you.